So in the last video, I decided that I wanted to do something with this blank section underneath. I originally thought that there was a possibility that there was nothing here, but when I described the clock on an online clock forum site, somebody pointed out that there were, in fact, pieces here. So I went by a catalog photo that was posted along with my query on the online forum site. So what I've done is I could have gone by the original design and cut out a piece within the block. But I thought, well, I tried, and I had a router, and there was no way I could get the router to work. So what I've done is I've cut up blocks, and I have glued them, and it's been glued for about an hour now. So it's enough to be set for now. And so we'll take both of these clamps, these trim pieces off, the clamps. Here, and here they are, right here, and the second one. So what we'll do is these pieces are now made to fit, so we'll put them pieces in here, and you'll note at this point that I'm just going to see if everything is lined up properly. You'll note at this point that the color is just a little different, and the reason for that is I haven't waxed these yet. I've already waxed the case, but I haven't waxed these trim pieces, and I'm not going to glue them in place until I'm really happy that it's what I want. How does it look? Okay, so from a distance it actually looks pretty good. So what do you think? Leave the pieces in or take them out? Again, the original design called for the block in here to be cut out, and I couldn't do that because I don't have the tools for that. So what I've done is put a raised block instead. So I could do maybe a smaller detail, a button or something for the center here. That might make a little bit of a difference, but for now I think I'm going to go with blocks with a raised panel as the additions to this clock. Let me know what you think.